All right, folks, we have a whirlwind of weather out there across the country today, specifically off around the southern end of the Northeast through the Ohio River Valley, and it stretches all the way back into Texas. It's just a slew of low pressure systems and frontal boundaries that's going to bring in severe thunderstorms, but also ice and snow. Weather Channel meteorologist Greg Bennett here with your weather across America. You see the red zone. There it is. It's going to be the Mississippi River Valley out there, and then just to the north, Missouri, northern side of Arkansas, portions of Oklahoma, getting into Kansas. Technically 13 to 15 states today could see an opportunity for ice and snowfall that stretches all the way over to New Jersey. And then, of course, we've got the storm threat and extremely gusty winds off around Southern California for today. Ahead of the front in the low pressure systems, that's where all that warm air is, and that's where we have that opportunity for those thunderstorms, the severe weather. We're almost looking at record-breaking warmth again across central Florida. But behind the front, we've got all of that cold air. And let me tell you, by Tuesday into Wednesday, we're going to feel the cold to the southeast. I assure you that. Temperatures are back into the 30s and the 20s across the New England area. Half of it is seeing clearer skies with mild winds. The other half towards the south is a part of that low and frontal boundary system, and you're getting into the snow, the rain-snow mix, and icy conditions from Jersey into Harrisburg, Pittsburgh, and even Philadelphia today. DC's metro could see a slushy, kind of sloshy mess, so try to stay storm ready and storm alert. We do have winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings that are going to start off today and will continue on until tomorrow afternoon, expanding up into the New England area, so be prepared for that. As we move towards the southeast, it's going to be the severe weather threat. All right, so we're talking about Alabama, getting into Mississippi, Louisiana. Dark red zone that we've got here, that's a 40% chance that we're going to see tornadoes develop. And then we're talking about a 30% chance in the bright red zone, stretching all the way back to New Orleans. And then this light red zone that we've got is basically just your scattered severe thunderstorm threat that goes all the way up into Nashville and just outside of Atlanta. So you definitely got to be storm ready and storm alert today. We've got ice and snow that stretches up towards the north into the Ohio River Valley. This is where we're going to continue winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings through today, going into tomorrow. Towards the north, it's drier. It's cold, but it's drier. And obviously, we're dealing with a much more stabilized atmosphere and less wind out there. That is different as we move on in towards the west coast. Southern California, extremely gusty winds just on the other side of the coastal communities along the hills. Los Angeles, not quite a part of this, but Santa Barbara, Temecula, Campo, and then moving all the way up into Bakersfield, we've got high wind watches and wind advisories. Gusts ranging between 30 to 60 plus miles per hour.